Welcome to Full Course Online. Let me bring my mobile screen onto the PC using scrcpy. If you don't know how to set this up, make sure to watch my scrcpy setup video or go through the full playlist linked in the description. You can see now that we are connected, and the mobile screen is right in front of us. If you really want to master scrcpy, you need to learn how to use its powerful commands. Let's explore what kind of commands we have and what we can do with them. First, search for scrcpy on Google and open the GitHub page. Once it's opened, scroll down to the user documentation section. Here you can see different categories such as video, audio, input, and more. Click on video, and you'll find a long list of useful commands, in fact, hundreds of them. But here's the question, where do we enter these commands? This window you see when scrcpy is running looks like a terminal, but we cannot enter commands directly here. So, let's try running one of the commands. From the Windows section of the documentation, copy this command to remove the borders around the window. Now, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Navigate to the directory where the scrcpy folder is located. In my case, it's inside the D drive. Once we're inside the folder, paste the command we copied earlier and press Enter. As you can see, the command executed successfully. The mobile phone screen is now open without any borders. If you want to stop the command, simply press Ctrl+C in the terminal. And that's it. Now you know how to run scrcpy commands in Windows 11. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the playlist if you want to learn more advanced scrcpy features.